Today, I'm going to show you how to get this glowy summer ready makeup look that is Dewy, effortlessly and perfect for this weather. Think radiant skin, natural glam, and minimal force. Hey love, welcome back to the Fab Life with Naomi. In case you are new here, my name is Naomi, and on this channel, I create content around fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is to moisturize my lip, and I'll be going in with this Nivea lip balm to just help moisturize my lip ahead. The next thing for me to do now is to prep my face, and I'll be using this face moisturizer from Fix Fast to moisturize my face. Next, I'll go in with my face primer, and I'll be using this face primer from Zara Cosmetics. Next, I will go in with my foundation, and this is the foundation I will be using from Zara Cosmetics. Note, this video is not be sponsored by any brand. I'll just apply a little on my face. Next, I'll go in with my damp beauty blender to blend everything in my face. Next, I'll go in with my concealer from Zara Cosmetics as well. I know you guys are wondering why I'm using this product. It's because their products are really nice. So I'll just apply it here. Next, I'll go in with my blush, and I'll be using this lip stain from ZK Cosmetics as a blush. It also serves as a lipstick and also as a blush. Next thing to do now is to apply my setting powder, and I'll be using this hair spun loose face powder. And this powder I'm going to use a little because we're not doing a matte makeup, we are doing a Dewy makeup, and it needs to be light very well, not that heavy. And I'm just going to apply little on my face now. Next is to go in with my eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using this Catch Me Beauty Gaza. I'll just do a light eyeshadow. It's not a must if you don't want to. I'll be using this particular shade, just a little from it, not much. It's not a must if you don't want to use eyeshadow. You can leave your face like that, or I just want my face to pop out a little. So just apply small with your hands. You can see you don't even know if I rub anything there because it's looking all natural and all that. So guys, the next thing I will do now is to do my eyebrow. Nothing serious, just a little eyebrow, keep it simple. And I'll be using this soft touch eye pencil color 18 on my face just to keep it simple, nothing serious to do. And I just have to do a little touch up just like this. And I'll go in with my spoolie brush just to brush the eyebrows upward. Then you screw it down. So guys, the next thing to do now is to use my mascara to uplift my natural eyelash because I'm not fixing any eyelash. So I'll just use it to do it upward. so that the eyes will look beautiful. And guys, you can see my eyelash now looking beautiful as if I wear eyelash. So guys, the next thing to do now is to use my highlighter on my face. The name is cleaning off already, so I can't see it, so I'll just apply little from here with my hand. So guys, the next thing to do now is to apply my lip gloss, and I'll be using this lip gloss from Huda Beauty on my lip. Next is to go in with my setting spray, and I'll be using this setting spray from Kids just to lock in all the makeup in. So I'm just going to apply. Let me know in the comment section what is your go summer product is, and if you like this makeup look, don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe, like this video so that you don't miss any makeup tutorial like this. And if you have any video suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I'll gladly do it for you guys. And if you have not watched my previous video, please do want to watch them as you also find them interesting. So guys, from me to you, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.